Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. So because this one divided by 0, we have infinity. However, we have number 1. That means this one should be equals to number 0 when we put about s approach to number 0 in here. So that wise we can use about L'Hospital. So this one we simplify and we have the square root of b minus number 2 equals to number 0. So I will put negative number 2 go to the right. And we put the power 2 for the both side and we have b equals to number 4. So if we use L'Hospital in here, that should be like this. So this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of ax plus b. And now s approach to number 0 I will put in here. And now this one we know that we have the value of b, that's about number 4. Oh sorry, we have in here. We know that b equals to number 4, and this one we have number 1 going here. So if we simplify and we have a over number 4 equals to number 1, because the square root of number 4 we have number 2 and number 2 we have number 4, and 8 equals to number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.